Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. To get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button and disregard any kind of Google Assistant that will show up. Okay, so we're gonna select power off, and once the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you will see the Honor logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And once the Honor logo disappears as well, you can then let go of the volume up. And this will take us to the recovery mode, as you can see. And here, select clear data, and then you can select wipe cache partition. This only takes a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's already finished. So now we're gonna select back and restart, and this will bring us back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.